Yesware is a popular sales-focused emailing platform, but it may not be suitable for those needing a simpler mail merge for personal use or for businesses focused on brand marketing instead of sales. So what are the alternatives? Mailmeteor, with over 5 million users and thousands of 5-star reviews, is a great option available on the Google Marketplace. It is a mass personalized email tool that simplifies the process of sending emails through Gmail. It offers powerful features for professionals, businesses, and individuals, and is designed specifically for mail merging, making it extremely simple and easy to use. Let's take a quick look at how Mailmeteor compares against Yesware. 1. Mailmeteor includes a free quota of 50 emails per day, compared to Yesware without a free quota. 2. It's fully integrated with Gmail and Google Sheets. 3. It doesn't require access to your Gmail inbox with minimal permissions to send emails. And the pricing starts at only $9.99 per month, compared to Yesware starting at $15. When it comes to software for the average user, sometimes less is more, as the ease of working within a platform you already know, like Gmail, makes it that much easier. Give Mailmeteor a try and see what it can do for you.